Bakar ewa Eric Jane Swaha honorable Mamma Wakwaba Bibi Aboko
Elder Major Sopa Nyamiadum
you have check
Nyamikre Mira Hana many I just say I'm say back to base
very necessary
I had an action in now showdown in now it was 94.7 FM
and you got a ministry boko
Nyamiadum Bibi Akoso
Nyamiase Uti Dr. Maneboama
me tie and some more kind in
the election the modus were you
oh there because I am from Obi Edin Kama Mincha na Mincha Minia Eric J and Ghana the show my gym room muti unyina oh you see na Dr. Maneboama mama congratulating no the honeymoon face mo no way na 2024 results number you go explain tire and this if no be did the juma and the honeymoon face the in buano but Obi what can be okay one or two issues me did say me time kakra menya before be me dey be address those issues near din kind or say 2024 election or more the strategy and a baby TNPP 4 and the obobo din bebre din akese review statement PV or beans the chikatas the totobi kwache na metie doc na nasri ahyem mfunumuma unim ne ntia
adentia
also no a trainee of empenyimfo na omatwam nti no baby TNPP what he doesn't know ne say even when Nasa and Peninfu Akukudam were holding the electoral fortunes of the NDC in the year 2000, NPP the Omoshe hold down flats. We have beaten them before. We will beat their trainees in the year 2024. May a confidence say we near bar. Of course, we revere our big men. But the international fire in share team so mona o machechere pobi o baby and I dey call win elections Ghana for the toaba yasem de anyankopon be share de ato ye techere ma so ne adwuma pa and ye de be call Ghana for ho and ato makoma so amoma to aba ma the new patriotic party and the Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia enti showdown no omo the strategy ba yenso ye de enwuma ene asempa beba enti me advice to the NDC ne say as usual omo focus on building their message now debia omuni message mumfa message ma we are na strategy showdown no ba better say umbe explain the other issue Dr. Kaino was in relation to current application on Modia Kokoti, any related matters and his perspective on the way the Electoral Commission is operating and the way the in their mind, you know, judiciary no so be because of political influence na omo de ama abra ono no susu yemu no judgment be banana ni esese omunya within the period ni na atwam obi Okasa, interestingly, no, former MP for Jirapa, the revered Honorable Edward Saliaji. Na enono, oka oboni dia a lot was running through my mind. Mr. Techo. Obi, wahu. Mimi te say NDC for the application ako court no. Na me say NDC court. Na NDC the money is enya asema asenka mo solve no NDC headquarters. Court ya mo say NPP court na mo court ya de bia masuma communicators amo maso power mo left right center say mo ni any confidence in court no na mo kopede en court ho me ka kosidian so obi NDC fo ya yete e ba bi en ka bi nhemu eno mo ase o mo ko 2020 election yakoye o mo bukata bia mo nsusu ye ne say results electoral commission for quality buy no eni omo de omo obo ebra eni omo train asem say tintan eso a NDC full soldiers kogu electoral commission ehye ka tai wo kwan mu dede ni nyina echi no edru NDC for internal elections ena omo then general secretary now national chairman of the NDC Honorable Johnson Asiedun Ketia and leaked audio ba bonten or say court no credit bi coach na adaka mu no me come tro say na yakura mpo no results no kra system ni break it down ye ntimi an quality results obi yeah, appointed Dr. Omanebo Amani in the new team. Yeah, one statement Dr. Pesa White the Ababonting. Or say elections are not won in the strong room. In fact, they listen to Musi Super Electoral Commission and Kanka Mami Jin Mensa on the boss man in Nano. Name so or say strong room wash so elections are won at the polling station. Intimi Ebeto Namakai near Bua. Entimu Susuan pass for soldiers and Crawford from Nima, Ashaiman, Dome, Ladadiko Topon, Jamestown, NDC 4, Enim Pefesa no Moon Timing College to our results. Our Mochi or Muduamoko Jina EC head office. Obi Susuan pass and Papa Naka Bo be an answer 10 no be woo. Unim Sanko Mama be a unquase woo. Our bedroom heaven no nimni adenabaho. That being said, no. The rate at which our NDC bastardize organs of the constitution is senior no masonumu judiciary no masonumu to the extent say the whole former president statesman who I respect, former President John Dramani Mahama, who we expect to know better, onune lead charge ma NDC 4 including him. Two Supreme Court judges folding unanimous FC. Omuwie no no ankasa court na has been politicized into no obe balance. Na Obi from that day a former president John Dramani Mahama making that statement in Mendai. Eye mi hu say as obi a wadi Ghana man so will make such comments. And na NDC former cultural obidin ba ko justice da pa bia mo no mu dikita omudru studio bia ai and away and na no ka president Akufo-Addo legal team mu and omude na kosi court obi o kan honorable George Buedi no ye NDC member of parliament for Amenfi East constituency.
Okay.
In the year 1993 to 2001. In fact, onu free seat no so no. And our honorable Joseph Boahin Edu, our Yekoko board CEO and ran two studio ha ebefa seat no. After serving in parliament for NDC as lawyer ni, Ojidi say was some Ghana drew baby in the legislature. Or per se or custom Ghana baby for fro. He is a high court judge. Sebia na wunim na, let me give you a reference. Unim say after 2020 election, Ebra honorable John Peter Amewu winning hohoi election. Yes. Na NDC for so mon pene me enso ani in. Ento mo court akwaje son dia to honorable Amewu so. Unim so man ko high court hohoi. Omo ko high court wo ho. Yes. Where Justice George Buedi judge. And omo ko je ex parte. Injunction edit to Amewu so until omutimi call Supreme Court ye reverse ye no. What is say NPP ni be say ebia waye NDC former MP na and ne wababa be high court judge ninti obua asem because of his background there be. We believe it does not matter who appoints you. The knowledge that they have gathered everywhere across board no and no mudi ye adwuma to the benefit of the Ghanaian legal system and the people of Ghana. Let me give you an example. Okay, Honorable Amos Lawebwete. No, ye NDC member of parliament for Adan constituency from 1993 to 2004. Or a high court judge. In fact, we're the Greater Accra Regional Deputy Regional Minister. NDC appointing us a judge. What is NPP ni bia betina studio? Abodin bi kra say oh asemesi we NDC MP da adentine no ye judge yentimi mfa justices animu ntwetwefo omu drew that level of the court na bibia ye waka form hu bia ne ahohoro yensa because even if ye their politics ni ye dede elusi bibia we are obliged to protect the integrity of the constitutional bodies, especially the judiciary, especially the EC, the referees in law and in elections. Me here no free hono. Oka honorable Adema Mr. Church we nyina ye obo honorable Edward Salia din. Unim say ye ka Japa constituency obia kan honorable Edward Salia, he was very vibrant. But before honorable Edward Salia no, not the member of parliament, NDC member of parliament for Jirapa constituency, 1993 to 2001, Honorable Francis Kobie. NDC, by omo appointing as a judge, or Yenejuma as a judge. I am confident, say, or the rule of law. So, what to say NPP Nibia Betina studio? I can say, hey, I didn't know what the MP. I was Jirapa for 2 terms, and then this NDC by Mels Mahamo, Mako appointing as a judge. What to say, I can be that. And yet, the year Moyeni, a deep crow, Mobody Bama, what to say, Mekrama Betina studio, how can be that? Because they are doing their work, and working in the judiciary itself is not easy. The workload is much, the salary is small. I feel a lot of judges are doing us favors because knowledge, more private practicer, some of them would have been millionaires. Let me give you one last typical example. Obi to say Supreme Court judge AJM appointed in the year 2015, 29 June 2015, Justice Gabriel Poaman.
Yeah.
When himself the former General Secretary of PNC. I'm not talking about MP. I'm not talking about government appointee. General Secretary of a political party. And so it was not the basis of saying, say, because we are serving as a politician actively. And no say we pass or best some Ghana minor in the judiciary. Yeah, man, crime man, kosum. What is so be able say we're a politician? I didn't know JM appointing to Supreme Court because we're a politician. On the same day of his appointment to the Supreme Court in 2015, that day, both judges are JM so in they had political background. I'm talking about His Lordship Justice Yawapo. When him say under PNDC, no a deputy secretary for Bono region. Deputy secretary at that time near under PNDC, near equivalence and a deputy minister. And to no be a deputy minister, no a lawyer ni, no china or se politics no. Me did say meet me as some Ghana mine in a different or superior capacity. And to mumma me crying, and mammy kosum Ghana mine no. And why say, and a judicial and NPP court, and the application when no matter what sheda, and I say na easy, and no be crampo or quarters com program ko 2 students for, and no more than a kosha no mumia, no mumia, ubet makasa. Her justice apau, beyond being your friend is saying, Deputy Secretary for Bono region under PNDC, and beyond his appointment as a sole judgment debt commissioner. JM appointed as a justice of the Supreme Court. What is NPP for can be about it? Nipa or bastardizing the biom JM Nankasa or appointing to the Supreme Court because he was part of the Supreme Court panel that had the election petition. Or no appointing, 1 hour appointing no. Or Masako drew Supreme Court to honor. And I'm so mubua ya answer when ninti. And yen ya wakuma pena unya inti. No akoto mudin. Ubon se nkwala nam Facebook ne TikTok no more revered justices of the Supreme Court nickname basa. It has to stop. The abuse of the judiciary has to stop. The NDC must cease abusing institutions in the name say omono ne ye omo meyebi emetna studio ha metoto mpapa so. Because the fact that they will not come and sit here and speak for themselves no. As a lawyer, not as a politician, not because I'm a deputy minister, but as a lawyer, knowing the struggles to go through legal education in Ghana, and for some people to hone their craft for decades. There are justices at our superior courts on my track record in the judiciary longer than JM's presidential ambition, all put together. And today, Obi to say Justice Yawapo go through the ranks all the way from lower courts and the quality of their judgments, their respect for rule of law. Now, sorry, and NDC for in the name of election petition back. Our Mokotana panel no so manya sum dreda. Doc betina or saying even people within the judiciary and no, they know what is going on. Oma mabubo mu dey want to say NPP ni bia betena ha ka say na ba na say na NDC MPs ya for mo judges okrom ha. And now say at the time my JM yet some of these appointments no oni mo background. No oni mo background. But he felt or believed said they are coming to work beyond that. And the President Akufo-Addo JM expect to say President Akufo-Addo say bia justice ni because retirement and money fail because onu feel say bia the next election may win. What about the works at the courts? Look at the duration from 2012 to 2023. Yeah, how many political issues in the Supreme Court? Only the number of issues already. Maybe political issues may not even constitute 2% of their work. Mona to wom and sasem wom ahinsem wom nipakum wom kronu wom boni bebre na enne sebi o chesa system na ya build it to protect the country. Now the tina radio so ni TV so no wasopo mo ni abom anyhow na enne mo betana na justice the pa Obon said, no, obi kre kwa the nima, the respect, obi kre kwa no quarter, the respect, the due respect and acknowledgement the mema nipa ne te saying. Enti yanko twe listen mrani embe biye funeni ana. I'm saying this with a lot of sadness. Yanko twe listen bra, NDC can they stand the heat? Yes, judiciary no mo se yenka te se kwan no mo de nam so no se nyina yanko gata no ma ombetima standing. Wo electoral fortunes depending on your work. Anyone dance dear that for the good people of Ghana to see and support you. Yeah, registration. The entire electoral process starts from registration. Man phone call register he trouble. Me constituency ho. NDC for so muniska. And reach me kwa na NDC or mo branded pickup ready so no mo ba sent or mo ba sempo so sene NPP for there. No match nkrofo abegu ho yo. E wa amamole. Me hu o mo nye obi say our registration or district officer. Meanwhile, whilst they are doing all those processes, knowing very well said this process is not the last before a general election. This is a window. Yeah. District assembly election, Ebeba, for anybody who has turned 18 to get the opportunity to register. What percentage of our population has turned 18 within this period? Moon register. Definitely transfer window so beba general election beba another window for registration beba ni nyina bekoso IPAC ya yesi bechira wadwene wo ho mo ana mo se mutiri kutukum ede enti a easy for IPAC no na small parties ya mo kwan ama mo so vote the same way as NDC enti say other parties ni NPP do so kra NDC say my edi been by force e no mo dwane ja IPAC ho. Then the same small parties, you have found the need to gather them some court. The same court are my yo to two mudi and nickname. Now on the court in India when you some party head office. So where they be in Kenya bonnet. We in the NPP.
Ekosiisen on
yet why you need that easy so. You need that IGP so. You need that Obia so. Bra ye bring na ne say Ghana for be hu adwuma pa president Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. And Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia led government ye. Power time no drew near ye flag bearer. I'm confident ye be Dr. Bawumia ye bekwa kosre Ghana for monto ma ye bio because ejuma ye guso ye. Uye police ni na wa unim. Sa uba police service mu ko 40 years. Police service how many helicopters na wo hu Akufo-Addo nko abetom yensa. Police for omo vehicles pool ya double no. And the police patrol Camry in our womb, one at the by President Akufo-Addo. Kwabenya yasida ama police for. Ye two police for akatuum, adent no onto my NPP. Obi ohonoma. O say me minimo bi o say o me fie nyanka. Sabi nya free SHS pa class ne de nkomu nsibi. O dey also complaints about school feeding ho, also complaints about accommodation, complaints enso kro mu kobi. No matter the condition certificate on bejibi no be a beneficiary adent no on to be na no kofie Japan omko share the pam for sika omode am omonye ska ketwa no be to container mu aban abo mode amanda waye ya man be 20,000 and na 15,000 so onfa enko hye na dwuma mu on firi se wo ye chim no wan no onko to electric machine adent no on to na ba ma NPP enti won so bet na akra ha se ya unso be hihye okuyani yetu kokomu from 800 to 1,308.99. 63%. I didn't want to know about my NPP. Also, so one susu ye pa any bibi a wujidi say a year superior, a more p, a more do, essing in a new patriotic party, and then another led government be in this period, no, Becano. Now, not to say, oh, and the NPP is in bed with this. Now, more bed than Yakasi Babu this Katana, Mubetini. Yakasi Yansu Yankoya creatives. Na Yankoya and a judge and a NDC judge. Na Mimpengu Mikra will not be part of anything of that sort. Mubetini. And to Obi, meaning said na Breno Eswa, Babe Brew, Honma Betina Beke County, NDC 4. Omundio Munkui, no more many ko omo and internal processes. Moi been doing internet cafe near you know Munjai. Doko buy wakabe brave. Did the same Crawford if you're more born some man say, hey, say Doko so buy ye this bet me quality results. And the coalition never baswa and no more many kohun. No more mobilize it or base. We respect democracy. At the end of the day, near Ghana for better Banibia, which I am confident that 2024 New Patriotic Party, Ebesa winning the election to retire JM, it will happen. Yen na yankoya adwuma na emma yen hangi on straws ne yen set agenda nto ho and na president Akufo-Addo fail court no because ono a wonim say o free power, he knows what will happen to him. But Obi in 2016 after JM had lost election lose election after 2 weeks and 2 weeks to swear in new government which was not even from his party. The key anti-corruption agencies in Ghana no ye new appointments ko ho e didn't no lose election or appointee onunyam for without no call Shraj I didn't na lose election or appointed Domlevo de no call auditor general. Was that to cover his tracks? Was it because why bibi ebe punishing into no cover the tracks? And President Akufo-Addo by one man adwuma for how many years? And to Obi, they should allow the institutions to rest. Yeah, politicians, yeah, your capacity say ye hoofing, ye dede, ye brothers and sisters. But the institutions that are protected, the institutions that shall be beyond politics, just to make sure say, they are making sure so on mine is hoping team. Now say, and easy. Odo weni kochire baby akoko to koya den woko mame nkomra medase mema Eric Eje yakwaba na yenti ono so ado din sem and then I'll come back. Eric Obi bibi aboko de nyame adom na nso adomia mechia asempa efemetifu nyina mojo so na menu penny doctor Omane Boama wakasa na asemo kan me bedue na menu aba am say diary na den anim no watro ha watro bebi anti mi busa ne say Omane man assignment ana also Devi ono Omane kasa no wadwuma so part of the game na dey me yapi ni say angle na no nenam no nim say angle na Omane no baby yes unim say certain topics even difficult for me to debate baby I know the names say you know the reason until there onu so nim until ye nyina na minim there but ni nyina kan say Dr. Omane Boama ka say mpanimfo bi ofie ne yebobo mpanimfo din na hegi ase wonte ase akanfo bu baby say panin ni fie adue ana meboa yes very good enu ntino ye nyina ye nam ha ye koba nyina no enema ni dwumadi a ye di nyina ye dwumadi a yesusu se ebeboa ma NDC amanyoku na fa ne ntoma pefra na ye ba betena ha ne ye kwa ye wo mpanimfo a etoda obitimi fro Eric ebia na okasa ya okan wanka ne ye ochena ka ne sei edi sa kasa no bi na Dr. Omane Boama kam se hegi anti ase no because obi ti se uncle to bi kwachi ebia hegi akra anaminu afa ateti ni din no basic school but they are still in the system what do you say and those are penninfo a you can't say be say dia batabo ba ni twa den twa wo ye den wo be hi o madwene enti the dog e kan no ye de some penninfo na na tayechi but say electoral commission edi ni juma na ye can state agencies be asem na or they call ya kosi judiciary say the medical akano on the matters of judiciary men shadan kabi but Ghana for do na nim de ekoso okro hande
And you see, we politicians, say this is the first time politicians, if we the other side be judges and judiciary. Yamaki can be Bill Kruma. Obi, I have a story with me here, so Obi Timia Kayamamia. Now, what Kayamame?
We a story dated September 20th, 2015. It was cityfmonline.com.
Sure.
And citynewsroom.com.
Yeah, that's it.
Ghanaians have lost interest in the judiciary. Gabi Otredako. Legal practitioner and a member of the NPP, Gabi Otredako, has stated that Ghanaians have lost interest in the country's judicial system. He believes that this apparent apathy from Ghanaians towards the third arm of government necessitated reforms in Ghana's judiciary. Gabi described the country's judicial system as being beset with numerous issues, which, according to him, have contributed to affect the dispensation of justice. Key amongst the issues confronted the judiciary raised by Gabi was the limited number of lawyers at the Attorney General's department. This challenge, he again cited, has led to the numerous adjournment of cases at the various courts. Commenting on the recent allegation of corruption scandal that has hit the judiciary, which has also sparked a lot of public row, the executive director of the Dankwa Institute was of the opinion that implementing some institutional reforms at the Attorney General's department will help in improving the country's judicial system and eventually avert some of the circumstances leading to the alleged cases of corruption among judges. Meanwhile, he has also criticized the practice whereby judges have contributed to the pressure at the country's prisons. This, he explains, has been influenced by the virtual absence of alternatives in pronouncing punishment on culprits trialed in courts.
Now, Mekai say after 2012-2013 election petition.
Yes.
Na ne tweet bi mu ana ode ba kwan na ofa so bastardized judges na de keka ho. We are all politicians. I thought that matters of this nature e bi beba ye beka bi. But say me nua ba fa ati betena se na wa fa judges 1-1 na obo onim of which onim say at this position amedeti amenye sa ade no. O de yam fit to nkotre de atwere. But the Ghana fo nyina ehwehwe ne say attention ne be ye adwuma. Attention ne that is key. Nti ene send this is to say ye ba betruding na ye de asema kodan court batan na said ye kane ne ye ne no ye call court ne ene ma nada ne nya sa netia obi automatically we de nipa be complain ana meboa mra menua ba esua ye nyina egusu ye esua bi ne the president ana abakosem de asi pen ene edigina su yesusu dia nti se nra na eti sei na ene kodane a obama nipa so anwinwi ni mu kakra. So when they meet me, I can't find the judicial sector of our country. I know say they know a lot. Omunim nepa, they are better woman. Omo asha, the omoya Ghana be fan into my periphery. Na emfa oye ni biama no. They should keep doing that. When I'm see. Obi on the issue of electoral commission. One who say adie ya ba ye ka ho asem. Me maka ye mu bi mo baby ye free ba. Ne ye ntiti mu no. Baby ye do anyame na de abedu enye bi ahomasua bi ye sua ne gidigidi because of share de ekoso ne kwan ya electoral commission handle Ghana issues ne kwan ya party e wa ban mu e fa so ye nema. You could clearly see say as abato na ye kono omomfa na so nwe kwan so obi enche bi at this very studio me betena ha se me ya menua apia hena menen wo bono region or your party communicator 2020 elections one are not represented NPP or EC strong or Bono region. No sign 10 Tescon patron our University of Energy was yane. Nene yedina ko kan ba so mfo ni panso no say nti apia hene mo na kwotena se 5 gene say ye ma ye ntwedin or district level. You see the issue now. And apia hene you be representing the interests of new patriotic party. And this ende okotena ho na decision bi ente se ba na Erika J betena ha na me discuss ya automatically e was so tun se bibi wo matiko ansameba 3 days ago na me tie Dr. Bosman Asare ni interview bi o grant here obewie no e na o ka se oh abato enye by force opa na obekwa akoto aba all because amanfo keka mu se process na ekoso no e be disem franchise amanfo obi wa bra wo hwe amamra ye didi dwumadie na okay article 42 no particular registration no se nipa na adwemu da ho ne wadi mfie dum wotwe nkwana e an entitlement ana meboa the same constitution na a create electoral commission na e ka we you and is a war oye basum ku a kan electoral commission ho
yes
na Ghana for voice ya omu grievances na wo ba bonten be kasa abato enye ohye opa na otrudin opa ontrudin nema enye bokosa ebiem the same constitution na edibu o man na aka kire se edurumre bia e was electoral commission no odi ni juma se de be yo betre e voter register na mani padodo ayeden abem
yes
obi e ka se obeye ade amani padodo na nya so mfa so a I think say oye ne wo tena se na odwen a woni de wo se oye enu nti na electoral commission emra no man kwan say administratively no ye ba beto ababi odi ne CI ekomra hye bebe fi
parliament sure
and the CI na ode kono ho na isi ne ka se o yesusu se sei ni sei ene ye abato na ebeboa na mra hye bedwafo nyina tena se ne ayeden ne age atum CI they can they EC Jumadi. There's a provision in the CI say you be kwa kotrudin baby a kotrudin no. E was say ye baby a ye betimi use a polling station. E was say ye accessibility. All these things are there of which the commission knows. But then ye can e bia ye say kwan na nka odan a onim say kwan netene. Of which Eric Eje metia me 100% aware MPP for support the position of EC because apia hene ideas na party suma so fan kwa no bi no mo implementing ne obi ba wo come constituency German North me were 42 communities in my district
okay
109 polling stations and then me no ka say ko Samba which is the district capital na EC registration no mo ye machines mienu na si ho utie me pa out of 42 communities 109 polling stations ye the machines mienu na be si ho no be just imagine say oye obi a oye disabled person sa wote mase na ofi kro bi e friend se bia ya atwene kro ofi wo come district capital be 40 kilometers na sa bubu ani na e bia ote wheelchair na fi ni wadi mfie dun wotwe na emra no true article 42 say se na adwen mu da ho nko ade na wadi mfie dun wotwe kwa e ne entitlement say wotimi tro ni din no no so abato mredo oyeden or exercise in the franchise. Name ran say was ultimate de pay nipa na boboa no said de be obey convenient kra say o kwa kwotro ni din abekire na adwen e wo Ghana manyo se mu keke no. Ene me nua fatem wo ka kire Ghana for omo ne electoral commission say bubu ani na otehwi che mu na afi ni wadi mfie dun wotwe no. Ye was utwa 40 kilometers and so akọ district capital kwotro ni din no. Ya onne Ghana card no. E wo say opesika no di tie nipa mienu lorry fare no di omokọ district capital ma omokọ ye ne guarantors ansa na say nipa no etimi anya even voters ID ode beto aba obi na de ya wo mu ni say menu abubu ani no free 40 kilometers ne kodu district capital no first day easy system ni register nipa 25 no to so 30 nti o ka wo no ma ye ntimi register omo a no ka ho bi nti fate as oba activist na me de bubu ani ya American cry oba se fate de ogina ne na so pampe no ya ye san epeja na gu kam ye de ne bike ye otisu asen atoka ato e de na twa another 40 kilometers no one ne guarantors na asen akọ ne kurase na ade chia this same person asen afoka ba bim and you sit here and say you're okay. My ministers and I think say ba cry a disabled person. I commend your government for that. Is it water region? Uti deputy minister. Very good. The first time when Michelle, I was so excited because say many people out tesa ani dibia e Kenya omo di n'echi no. And just imagine ni state or woman. Na our friend planes and then I'm share video bia or your part for IE news. Obi ensu anipa etwa de aba district capital betro ni din ensu ne de amount for komu na sa minister yo water regional minister ana oti yo kita crutches sebe ye twa ne nan ba ko enye ne pede na sa yo no na ekọ polling station na district officer ekọ register na sa ensu na ayire no ka kire ne so mfa ne crutches ne mfa mu are you being sensitive enough? These are all pressing issues but they act and talk as if say all is well, but that shouldn't be the case. And I may know to be in the economic hardship by woman obi. Apart from MPP penning for a mufia $1 house and the bomb search $1 buno. Ya can ye bre. Nti no kwa some of the communities are obi di obi ne ma ebedi ama ade achimpo no adane bo achibidin. Nti say nipa na ne ba di mfie du nwotwe ana adwen mu da ha wo so no so timi twiro ni din because ne ma metua yi levy na no ada mamu obo ni nti 3 taxes na mo pass yansa mo ko IMF no ne papa ni ma metua bi fa ben aboboa no na nipa no nkotwiro ni din so ekoka adane bo achibidin. Why? What sort of governance is this? And honestly speaking, said Dr. Manebo Amakoka said, we had the Lusuaba. Now, but Nancy said, you him say, Laji Baumia, na more than never. Na Baumia, dear, Ubi any minute. No, so Ubi any Baumia. Who doesn't know him? No, rare Ghana photo do necessarily no quafo. A banaman, same one. That is a Laji Baumia that we know. Because he is the Baumia. Or no back catcher, maybe a tremus, a fundamentals near weaker, exchange rate, and the best expose you, meboa. Obi an exchange rate debate na akwafa cocoa price ya ba ye kan wasemi. Enne me ne wo ka say exchange rate ne da sen. Na time one Alhaji Bawumia ka fundamentals na sem no. In 2016-2017 cocoa crop year no. Na exchange rate it was around 3.9 ana meboa. Enti ye kwa adwaman so a ne ye ma ye sindi ye kan say world market price ne number $2,950 no. Ye ba ya de convert ye na wo form but then because of the weak fundamentals no. Yaku adwaman so a sika na kwa kodu $3,600 in udwane afiri hu se de tetede no kra na ye calculation still expose you. So that is the Bawumia that we know. Enya Alhaji Bawumia yi ena na o ka kire Ghana fo nyina se ono wa ye adwuma Bank of Ghana onim de ete so ho nyo no na ye vice president no. Enya Alhaji Bawumia na befa Ghana ye debt stock from 120 billion na ye twem 600 billion. Alhaji Bawumia kro ya na ka kire Ghana fo se mobile money here for the use and what's your taxes. I will peace FMC 5 can show. And you know the vice president and yet level kruma. So we know Alhaji Bawumia that you are bringing on board, the head of the current economic mismanagement team. Obi, you no more mutiti if you near crasino. Nipo creative problem, no no solve. What am I say? Do a day or Korea shady and once in a befino, or no the pamomo. Only one because when himself shade na oberi wo fie no e once na beba wa beri awie so nipa na wa create mess no what ya na woto enyom dwene tata say the Alhaji Bawumia because the thinking is Ghana for 7 dodo na adwene adwuma enti Ghana ni na kane no NDC penso ne to koku 475 Ghana no otime de to 18 bags of cement na the same Ghana ni na yesi ye to 1,003 ontimi fanto 18 bags of cement. Ghana ni na in 2016 ye ton 475 no timi ton chance packet mienu na ne the same Ghana ni no or the 1,300 ton chance packet ba ko e bi nka akire no onim say Ghana ni no onim Alhaji Bawumia na woka no. That is it. So the next election is about the credibility of your nipa or president no. It will thrive on that. Na no ada de just imagine man pani Akufo-Addo ko gina ba conference obi amusa no question na no ayensa no. Obi yeti kromo obi anim say aban we mumpan for notoriously corrupt. Who doesn't know? Allegedly. O de fa sure na usuamra. What am I say? They are too corrupt. Who doesn't know? Mampeni ankasa ye working evidence of corruption because Martinemi do na kache ye kroma say Mampeni eye say ye kaketa asehye ne proya eye owo primary mother serpent of corruption. Enyo no. So what is he talking about again? This afternoon I was watching a documentary my sister station Joy. Obi, Shesika University wa Commander Sugar Factory. Na abam boni eti say adwem boni nti. What na konwa so 7 good years. One ma Commander Sugar Factories machines ni nyina rusty. And na kra na metise say mobile no mo san kwaji loan Prudential Bank $11 million e de kwashim. Look at these people. Na osi obi esi factory we ni ahwe de. What na konwa so 7 good years. Untimi ni ahwe de e ma yem power ma yenya sugar. So such a corrupt government e wo the locus esan ka say Ghana for beto abama. And you see level na yedru no. And some ahodo a moka fa owura Mahama ho atra ahodi amudie no kra na monka President Mahama ifie konwa so brofo odija Ghana for obi ka brofo no
also posterity
ase tresen
da chemma
ebe den
ena ebe bua no aten
eno ne atimu nei posterity that eno na ye piampani a yete so ne no on na ye judge because when we left the economy ni baby a we mu die dru ne no every reasonable being anya man yourself na di wanim kan no you be honest Look at what is happening in the country now. Every sector of our economy, and to the extent to say, when I was more than election, no, even police administration, mobile boy and hoban, motio, Quanya Buffers will re abamuna moko, and until was here, Pamo Baku, Mabaku Bay, IGP. Look at them. Obi, we are the Tinanka when you say. Indeed, if for administration, I am near my papa, and can the security couples transit on you. To the extent to say, ye holy Hogan IGP, not the TV, so no per quite crazy. Look at what is happening. Because Proverbs 29 verse 2, Bible say, Nipa bonefo di or minus opinion. So every sector is affected. And that is the happening in our country now. Intimino Kasas is here. MPP for a crabby and a work who could do Kasa Koyu. Hey, Celia testers Yamo Tessi Capre and Koye. Or more free and Koye. Kakra $100 good them in a Koye Momo. And the other exact people who be defending them. And yet, say, Minio Manabo Mabekana. Minia fat so pointed your mania come any problem. But there's a senior year near Challenge. But the air can say electoral commission, Moma near Mamuna Hofine. Because all Betanazika say, yes, see and quiet pack. You do see a court today, political parties, yes, your money take a decision while pack near your moko. Na court and I are calling maybe any year near Quaden or Hobby. Ah, Obi. The court is there for the citizenry, and I'm a boy.
Yes.
Oh, Assembly who he announced to so call now being attending and anako. Obi to make him so near attending and impobessing ako. Now quite president that was say, now no assembly see and senior can and ameboa. And you know beyond or quarter and I is all quite mumpo. So if you are in court today, now Ordinance said yes, you know, are you good? A yemaya. That you know been able to the dance here when some about a bad that. But I believe strongly say the Ghanaian that we know today. Ghana near your catcher and maybe a tremu cause if the fundamentals are weak. Yeah, ne Sagana for Najan and Adani weak fundamentals. No, they will vote for Alaji Baumia because you see how they are behaving in this country. Or Musuni or Mobaminia de Obrene Hwasi. Bamunko for no do na Sunni or Moban and the arrogant posture is too much. Because I the cocoa farmer na ye baby didn't want dance no. Obi, ye to cocoa no 475 near money fertilizer bag free. One day, na me to show you so. Dr. Free, what's the minister? Seshioso, MP. He was emphatic. Or say under President Mahama, when he saw a cocoa farmer, no load trucks. Fertilizer won't share one Ghana city. Today, such a person is a minister. The same fertilizer now no funny free the corner and never over 500 Ghana cities. So that farmer now will turn fertilizer and diamano. Fertilizer and natural not for say a catch for buy. Now modem say not to no so an still near Juma. Today you are telling the same farmer say Alaji Baumia packaging ababim.
Eric Mamenase, Ekosiisen in Higher Sempa 94.7 FM. The Deputy Information Minister Ewaha Fatima Abubakar Sanso Ena Eric Ejeye NDC Deputy Communications Officer Ewabono Region. In Penfomi anyone we din komo a discussion segment no eso. Prominent paint beyond color, seahorse engine oil, Franco Trading Enterprise, and a Tabia Herbal. Omunyina boy and the idea no ebremo. Unim say Game Pack Games. Ebe launch one another exciting game. This time your friend no pick one. Ochina and a launch no Basu Ewu Kumasi the 15th of September 2023. The pick one game already the Yabon de Rona pick 4 in the other between 0 and 9 over pick 4 games. Ochina the Omopa home to Monday you pick just one number. Ain't the year with the rules is here. I pick 4 game and only between 0 and 9. Over pick 4 numbers. A boom mawauko. Ochna the epa hon tomano. I pick 1 between 1 to 36. Over pick just one number. A boom mawa na ona. Going to prepare yourself to unleash even more moolah by staking from 1 Ghana cedi to 350 Ghana cedis. Say who state any amount between 1 to 350 Ghana cedis. Uwinia, you amount 26 times your stake. In the Sika Udi Chayano, Uwinia amount 26 times. You can play by dialing star 946 hash, star 946 hash on all networks via our website, or you can download the Game Pack app on www.gamepackgames.com. And watch out for our live draws 9 a.m., 12 noon, 6 p.m. every day. And I say me in advance. In advance and wait for the first draw tomorrow, live from Kumasi. Game Pack, more moolah, more power. It's regulated by the National Lottery Authority, not for persons under 18. Play responsibly. In the moment say unso de ho behim na bibia akoyi amount. Ope phones ato phone papa ni nyina enne iPhone 15 na airby Franco Trading Enterprise ena obenya biato. Enye phones nkwa air conditions, fridges ni nyina ope biato, and you can enjoy up to 40% discount online in all our shops nationwide. Download the Franco Trading app and never ade. Unya the your orders no on the app yama 40% discount. Inti mem peki your number in free Google. Dabi Franco number no any 0246 422 338 0246 422 338. Ope phone at Tonkwa they are still a Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa ifie. Engine oil agana for nyina agye atum seahorse engine oil, seahorse engine oil, and ope engine oil papa bema wo engine boy juma ache amawa a seahorse. Ope gasket maker papa hardest 9910 and obi agye atum your epoxy metal your cap and choke and bostic. Then you know papa na oko seahorse ubenya bi ato inti. Buy your Hardex and S oil engine and gearbox oils if free ho free number we see here 0244 577 559. In we drive anyway fit anyway transport owner oil dealer ope oil papa ato akwakoton free number we see here 0244 577 599. Na seahorse engine oil papa will be ajia tumuno unsunya bi eto. Honorable, any other business?
Obi,
sorry, yes.
Eric, I'm impressed about corruption so because of boss bobole bobo besi. Now,
yes.
In the history of Ghana presidency. Former President John Dramani Mahama Kwane turning presidency Jubilee House into a corruption clearing house.
Really?
Almost President Akufo-Addo clearing agent. Ono dia no ye. President Mahama no one colleague. No ye minister under Prof Mills be ka kire say ono krampo na ono ane boss who say corruption no enkoyi. Ento o say an investigation on Embrajet. President Mills, God bless his soul. Ofiri mwana President Mahama se ma clear me ho. Obi ayebu afo no anka say adware ahohoro no ho afo se ma clear me ho. Ono ada na Jubilee House no clearing house no clear no ho, adware no ho no ono afa no white flag. President Mahama kroya yet ye baby enka bi nhemu na multimedia mo journalists. Edeba say Burkina contractor Kanazoi. HSA what the for that be bribe president no ami akotwa kwan wo isin corridor so amana mana kosoku gari aguso se kwan ande busu minsia NDC DC ankasa na beka se kwan na obesoki gari guso na nu nyina tutu President Mahama ana Elvis Honorable Elvis Afriankra ono me penase mame mbon title no properly oko Brazil oba ye ne set up committee and all the Bible ni nisuo ni quotation. Osunwe ya na President Mahama clear no fast. I don't call presidency as a presidential advisor. Now Brazil mponi akotoku be
presidential staffer.
Presidential staffer pe advisor ka ho. Title no staffer ne the general term. Utimi ya president secretary yes o ya staffer. O ya presidential advisor o ya staffer. O ya director o ya staffer. Oko Brazil Ekoto toku be boarding dokuna boarding oba na President Mahama so ni madwuma mu o mesene no mo ko Jubilee House nko ba adwuma onene net na Jubilee House ho ena o mu ko to Bible no mu su oje Ford no no so so keka bom honom ena Jubilee House o mo decorating as a clearing house. What is a Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? What is why corrupt da mamini corruption case ba ko na me nkyerɛw me ma further and better particulars onye corrupt na ho brasie ni bi ne nyina yesua ye didi na chi nwanwa se yesua de na President Mahama peso osabedi president bio na Bawumia na intimimba for the way for who for what President Mahama the president no so opebie ma Vice President Bawumia a wondi president da na ho brasie ni nimde any the way an na djuma esitienti any senior person osisi sagana. Not even now, I want number one crowd, Thai President Akufo-Addo achi painting say in the face of global crisis or you hear free him. Now imagine so no obenya opportunity be number 1 anya adwuma pa na obeye. Obi me no free honum President Akufo-Addo when it comes to the fight against corruption no na said ye mienu as a president primarily anamiensa ono ankasa so onje corruption onje bribe ni minim say NDC for propaganda de broni akwala bi anitiri ho trokan bi o Al Jazeera for etwa na yi say an na o say an no ne obeye go deal wa ha meanwhile obi a no say president ye no lawyer no interview nuamu ending omoka onu age to mu so onhia aneda na President Akufo-Addo jai law practice na sa brante no keka na age na no odi be 15 years na aka sa Akufo-Addo prempen ko no na nkuro bi na omobo ho ye di nkwala agro ho no na that being said no President Akufo-Addo onu eno say enam so ochi corruption to or invest sikania hodi into corruption institutions anti-corruption institutions ebi ni saying President ankasa numuto o se free sale oba aban mu from 2016 to 2022 on the contribution say be institutions o masade ne so o mo be ye fan ahwehwe niamam mu ama corruption nkoso no o makohoma wa huri akosoro na da obi tan obebo akohoma saje ye wadwuma yie o se parliament budget our best move from 2016 were increased by 100%, police service by 274%, audit service by 258%, judiciary by 36%, attorney general by 162%, IOCO by 47%, financial intelligence center by 443%, SHRAD by 99%. Unisa President Akufo-Addo by ya enna omu ye research bi Oxford University. Eno mu hu say cyber security a big problem in Africa. Affect online businesses ni bibia crash economy you lose in excess of billions. And no koshe mrasi establish cyber security authority. Dr. Buesi akoda anu. Se adwuma mo ye nanse omo awareness campaign ni mo hyehyɛ akire ye any institutional protection measures or modiaba say be ya krono fraud corruption sa na mani nyina be jaja no ama negana yenda red list bia so ni madwuma so a President Akufo-Addo ni aban we say eyeye nanso ne NDC for ade omu kiri ne se omahu se Ghana force omu hu se ne omu ti se koko yatum omu sre a omu ti kwa apai ene omu ti se sikasam ye yi apa omu ti kwa apai na se omudi dede eni edi confusion beto system no but face na ye dru no period na ye wo mu no as se omayu omo perennial flag bearer ayenso ye be Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no ye mo omo gabaw elder omo ba ye beba no pepe in the voice of a compreko ye mo omo gaba showdown ye started in 2023 near the 2024 intermediate near me no admonition ana adesredie ema mede to the rank and file of the new patriotic party enim maka kiremu say NDC 40 studio ye dede no mi kofi no mo the bus tententen atwenkrofo ego district office o register NDC for no register mesraw we are polling station executive we are electoral area coordinator we are constituency executive regional executive national executive adwuma aba anibra aba MP parliamentary candidates mo making sure say efie bia bebunu bi wo hono ma wadru so be register so ne nsafa no ko register NDC for abra ye mre ye nim san krofo na be ma ye tumi ye be krokro mo ye be fa ka mo NDC for nya eska mo internal election want to say no obi bo 40 cedi ho atwade wa adenta internal election de omunya eska de base o mo krofo echiche sika mo registration there ado omu ni branch executives registration do omu so omu ni kapre eti ho dwa isi ni court fo asum saa enso so internal election there omu che bento na omu che ayo aneta na omu che eyi first hour na omu che branch na omu che 100 cedi ade na obi mimitie wo afidie so se ade send off ni ba bia me ahaya na mitie nsem ni nyina ha na mitie enkrofo efre na eka enso so adu registration there omuso omunika pro omode mbeko mesrew me NPP for o ye NDC o ye de o me area person register me akra no so nsa de wa register enti ya party for esremu in my young waste time 21 days na isi no eyasi honom say yanya limited voters registration and day 3 Day 3 we still have about 18 days to go. You making sure say about to process na share mun ko register na one register won to be enti ne wasusu bia obi ohonom na okrapoma na abeso no mu ebia nani hu boa no NPP ni wasede no na afi na adwuma aba enye rally pe adwuma nie mumma yensore waka ni enkyere NDC for so mo strategy ne beba na ne ye ne Ghana for enkita ho pa ne anam pa enti na o makoto aba na maye enti mamuntie na o mo ka na o mu twagu mo register o mo de nkrofo ochini NDC ni bi nka ncho so na wokwa na obeche na anajo Andrew so age so okosa afaka aba Ghana sacrifices wom yemwa na nkrofo edom dodo na register na yansan to aba for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
Mate, Honorable Mamenase, na fe, Mema Eric, the final say, na yemfa in Komono NC.
And then when Yaji, many of Fatu,
Ade,
MPP, no one wakukudru.
Which
can corruption as him. Who be a.
That's what my ground.
And I say, who MPP knew to me can corruption as a man. Only I could do no America. Hey, Fatty. Na, you know, one is an army. Or some man penny a good for other buyer where investor institutions are hold where concatas shiny proye. Man penny a good for other buyers soon a catas shiny proye costro. And the M say, or who soon know a Tifia, no Aquana for Kubusa. That is the principle of President Akufo-Addo. And you read your can't share in opposition say he believes in Anas principle. Or buy an Anas better than a bosom, and now time buying with Ukruma. And yet Anas principle Korean Anas a fight ticket as a Shannon Proya, I may as well one penny for 2 in society, and they are general craftinism. And who would GD defending an advocate as a Shannon Proya?
Yeah, I'm paying for 2 in society.
His Excellency Canadian candidate.
I say I am paying for 2 Ames while managing sign 2 necessary. Managing sign,
multimedia,
managing sign, the dam, I am managing sign. I'm paying for what I say. I am paying for them.
Canada compare kwa Japan. Or say no defend man penny Akufo-Addo because Anasa can asem. And no show ni pictures say unyana bono na bo formula wom.
Or say obane hwa.
There say what a branch in Usian baby abona sembo beka.
Obame ha.
Masa ya bona kuno.
Obame premises
ha. Ya kuno ya bro na bro no kuno besi ne. Adane watch bi din. But obi no believe in the Anas principle. Man penny Akufo-Addo also no or the OSP officer ba. Na owura na odene bae Martin Amidu beka kire say the odene bae na mother serpent of corruption nti adwuma no wanye biem tintuntan and you are here defending this the Anas principle na ye kan ho asem na number 12 video na ye fa ho intade take kwasi entachi no ya ma Alhaji Bawumia ne na adu din wom na adu report ne de ne besi ne Alhaji Bawumia kan ne de ne ho hwe na no and Charles Dubu a senior connection man odi Bawumia din ko ye so okoji chobo na ba no Bawumia report to anywhere. So Bawumia is highly corrupt. Don't go there. ABM
highly corrupt based on what?
Meba na say corruption then perception does na dey kan say what?
Perception men na odi base.
Enu bi na me bobo ma wi. Dey ya bobo ne di wo mu ntimi nkasa. ABM ye te o man mu ha. En ye kan say PDS. Ye kwa akopɛ sika de abɛhyɛ ya nyama hoɔden mu agreement aban ahodɔko 4 pence ye sinsen ato connection man fo nko baya. Guarantee na da so na Alhaji Bawumia ne di animu ewie na ye ne samanfo company na esa insurance guarantee akut. And you are telling us say Bawumia na ne ma worship no. Ade aja say wasachira. Osu so na ne ma me room and ye kan say. Aso ne den. Methodist. Osu na ne ma me Methodist.
Or a patron of
you know. Ode tie nipa na ye kan say osu na ne ma me Methodist. Osu ma me be ware papa na ma me kramoni. Nti ye wo no Methodist and ne ma me be ware ne papa. That is the man we are talking about here. So your government, more you so corrupt. Abanya government appointee, yetimi kofa $1 million, $1 million e won pass. And they twi mu no. Na ye investigation ye nyan kan asem ni na mampini de krata ba say wo de agudi hu sun sa brobe asem no mra kra na enim se na hwe ni ho ampa so ho na ekoi. Abanya obetena konwa so first 3 months cash for shit scandal hitting mampini Akufo-Addo. Ye so kwotena ni ntwentwe photo na Jesus kra ba sa na na ye charge. Say nka Judas mwenye ayeye hwede papa we ye ne kuruma A+ mo na beka say me nua penny abugina pomo na o ma ye ho connection business na o mo ye presidency who doesn't know Only han and kofu kuku story beka kire say fan won egu from the contaminated fuel saga ni na to go heaven because V8 na was natural to fuel. Look at them. Mu wa kwenya ka corruption asem okruma ne. Aban we mo the corruption na yes social intervention everywhere you go. Inti ane afa ni su okruma. So Fatie, in 2024 election, I'll be so interested. So man no what credibility issues alaji ba omi abegina platforms to say or can credibility as some one now what's the Ghana for boss or
this government official one
you see the problem because I was so quiet
government official
and President Akufo-Addo on what opposition kwana ne party for investigating no okay or into committee report yes £100,000 na fa na don say no one kai or to opposition now no pay to me no party for us or cash. And we have these people in government, they still have the locals to talk about corruption. Say, what be now abemu 7 good years. Mampeni Mahama to opposition 7 years. Random makwan de was say we untimi ye bi onama asoro dan ho na otonkram ofonyum. Na Roma for otonkram ofonyum. Where we've got into, you guys should be serious. Obi anim some we are corrupt because assembly see na no adante na party and won. Say your mind be nka yetu abanagu because ensi so ewokroma na woni ha na mampani Akufo-Addo ka say ahokire abanti Arab Spring obi twa agya to nimu na wo de Ghana fo komu say na ye chance de awija. Look at what is happening now. Abemu penny for connection man for dealers nko a nka be den na obi pa GP adi abugiri na bu na agent connection man for nko a wherever you go ubenya connection aye and you are killing the nation. Now no other energy deal hwanyama jensa anyama basa why? You know all this thing. Fatie, me de ya me ya ne se me no ye babu no. Nti achim water forest na mo che ni nyina ne no. O chena me no mada achi, on be hu kwaye kra na o mahwem. Me ofa se John che japade sa, oni wu kra na watwa forest ni bi agya na yira hwe obeware ne dachi. Na oba ye nyele lie, ye manage japade. Corrupt people. Obi, ye tikroma, ye nsase nyina corrupt element. Ma ye ni nyina Galamsey report na ba ya Professor Frimpong Boateng de ba no. Wa mo bo mo party mpanimfo ni nyina dinwom. Be sin le de na maka fa ho. Ewie ye ne de okoye report na mo pesi you know. We know your government track record in corruption. You are so corrupt. Who doesn't know? Obi, where we've got into. The only remedy left for Ghana near tutu egu ni nsem no. Eye ni committee. So I support Fati saying se kona ko trodin. Na ko trodin let them know say wa adwen no nyam people for na hwe wa adwen. Because how about we are pedal falsehood in this country? So the idea throw eba manyo semu. Ene I suppose you know. Now see the no dabe na obey next lecture. Papa ti kroma de kasa sa na ye catch the words hey 170 questions na obusa ni jana penny yes sir. And no buy was over 10 questions. Oti opposition ubusa mi sa 170 questions. And then look at the economy. Only one lecture. Last one be okoye ne kaswa Pentecost school e we na obomu nyina for mfifre tew. Nsem na wo kan who doesn't know. So where we've got into things are worse. Enti semo wa abotre bia enka momre mo ho ase. Owura mama de muduru baby a ye ka asempa na nka maboni din. Ba mo de se mo de na kofra mo nsem one ne de am nkokwa o. Obi mo nkokwa da because na me ne uti krom hai. Wo hwe eja wa driver fo kom. Dramfo my kom obi so ko gina filling station now ye Uber driver we salesman filling station because I dey now turn be 16 14 16 Ghana cedis and if am petrol diesel and I'm be 50 to 60 cedis
okay
and that is the real cost of Alhaji Bawumia. So what we are saying is senior we ye and you don't challenge
government official one no bet na
now mother say pantu
government official one NDC for kochichire kashira beso Ghana for in the name of mobile money interoperability no mo be je 1
Dr. Bawumia o si here for the
mobile money interoperability
Bawumia no dey
1.5 million Eric
na stop demonstration I wouldn't want them more because what is man
government official one
they are so corrupt even the president here